Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. This is the giveaway video I just talked about. I just got done recording that other video. It's probably the next day to give you time to digest that review video. If you missed the review video, I'll put a link down in the video description and one in the upper right hand corner here for you to click and you can go watch it. But this is the video where you need to leave your one comment down below. It can be anything. Please don't curse because I do delete comments where there's cursing going on. You need to be a subscriber and I will pay for shipping continental US, but if you live outside the US, I will need some help with the shipping. Shipping costs international can be quite expensive. As you can see, it's still in the cellophane box, and this is an FR Sky version here. Printed right there on the box, FR Sky version. So in order to fly this, you will need a Tyrannus or an FR Sky radio of some sort to bind it up to. It does come with a receiver inside, so you're all set. Hopefully by this point you have left your one comment. You've clicked the subscribe. You've clicked the bell to make sure you get a notification when the results video comes out. We'll be using the random YouTube comment picker as always to select the one winner. Make sure you only leave the one comment. Continental US, I'll pay for shipping. International, I'll need some help. We'll probably split it 50-50. And that's it. Shortest giveaway video in the world. Probably not. I appreciate your time, and thanks for watching.